Hello people! So today's video is going to be a full face using affordable makeup, and it's also a full glam tutorial. So I know I've been doing a lot of these kind of glam looks, but I feel like, you know, up to Christmas, then we've got New Year's, so I thought I would just kind of do a bunch of kind of full glam looks at the moment. So this one is a bit different to the other ones I've been doing so far. This is using all affordable makeup. So if you're interested in seeing this whole look and seeing what products I use to create it, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. So I think I'm actually going to do the skin first today, just because I have like breakouts everywhere, so I just want to get them gone. So for primer, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Pro Radiant Peach Primer. It's the brightening one. So I do actually like this, and you know what, when I was actually looking in my primer drawer, I actually realised I don't actually have that many affordable primers anymore. I don't know. See what I mean? Like, it's just, I feel like it's just evened out my skin really nice, and it just feels a lot better, to be fair. Okay, then for foundation, I'm actually going to be mixing this foundation in with something I haven't actually tried yet. So I've got the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I love this, I haven't used it in so long. It's such a good foundation, and obviously it's really affordable. I use the shade 05 Warm Beige, but I'm actually going to mix it in with this LA Girl Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator. I haven't tried this yet. I put it on the back of my hand and it seemed really nice. It didn't seem to have like any glitter in it, it just seemed to leave like a really nice radiant sheen. So I'm going to mix this in with the foundation and just see how that goes. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is just the best affordable concealer ever, and it's in the shade C10. Well, I'm going to use my brush to blend out under my eyes, but I'm just going to use the sponge just to blend out like around the face area. All that in place, I'm gonna take the Revolution banana powder. This is the yellow one. And obviously this is usually then where I would put on my hourglass powder, but obviously I can't use that. So the closest thing that I've got that's affordable to that is the Milani Prep Set and Glow powder. I'm just gonna pop it where I'm gonna apply my bronzer, because I'm not actually gonna apply any cream product. So I'm just gonna apply it here. I'm gonna take the NYX No Filter face powder. This one's in the shade Golden. I'm gonna use this to bronze up the skin first, and then I'm gonna apply some contour. And to actually contour, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild contouring palette. Let's take this shade here. Then for blush, I'm going to take the Colourpop blush in the shade Weirdough. It's just this really nice kind of mauvey nude shade. I'll leave my highlights just before I do my lips, so I'm going to move on to doing the eyes now. I don't have my peopleeee base to use for this video because it's not the most affordable thing ever, so I'm just going to use the concealer I used. So I'm just gonna first go in with the Revolution and Soph Extra Spice palette. I feel like this is just the best affordable eyeshadow palette you can get that isn't Colourpop, because I have another one that is by Colourpop, but I want to use another one that is a bit more easily accessible for anyone in the UK. So I'm going to start off by just highlighting my brow bone actually. So the other eyeshadow palette I am going to use is the Perception eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. I'm going to take the shade Culture here. It's just my favourite warm brown to use. Chocolate Orange from the Revolution palette, and I'm going to mix it with a bit of the shade Revenge from the Colourpop palette, which is the red. Okay, so for all over the lid, I'm going to take the shade Spill the Tea from the Colourpop palette. It's just a nice rose gold. Because I want it to be even more sparkly and extra, I'm going to take the LA Splash liquid eyeliner, and this one is in the shade Pink Sparkles. A little more than just finish off the other eye. I just applied my mascara, my eyeliner, and I just put on some false lashes. I used the Ardell Wispies. I'm going to be using the Revolution and Soph highlighting palette. This is such a good palette, I can tell you. It is a very good one. So I'm just going to mix kind of these three shades all together. So wow, this is a good palette and it's like £8. I think I'm going to take NYX London to line my lips with. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Chocolate Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this one's in the shade Sweet Tooth. This is one of my favourite nudes. I love this. Okay, so you can obviously completely just add a gloss over top, but I just like it being matte because I feel like most of the attention is just kind of drawn to the eyes and the sparkliness we have going on. But that is the complete look. So this is the full glam look using all affordable makeup. So if you did enjoy it, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and also make sure that you're subscribed as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.